Our Wonderful World, The Mystery of the Nazca Lines. This is the third unit. Take out page number 32, take the pencil in your hand, and let's find out the mystery of the Nazca Lines. Now let's find out what it is talking about. In this we are going to read of who was the first one who saw the most extraordinary sight. Then what did the pilot see when he reached the landscape? What happened when the news of the discovery spread far and wide? What took effort? Who took effort? Who took effort to protect the World Heritage Site? And in the end, did the government protect the site, the historical site? What all did the people believe when they saw it with their own eyes? This is why it is called the mystery of Nazca Lines. People didn't know first, but it was the discovery of the pilots. Then pilot from the mouth of the pilot, it went to the other pilots. Yes, and then it started spreading around the world. Then from Peru, someone came up and took up this opportunity to explore and to take care of this World Heritage Site. Okay, so let's find out how did it come up. How did this mystery start initiating? The mystery of the Nazca Lines. Now where is it now? We'll find out where is it. The Nazca Lines are one of the greatest mysteries of our planet. They are the series of perfectly designed lines, drawings of shapes, animals and plants marked on the ground in southern Peru, South America. The lines were discovered in the 1920s when the plane first began to fly over Nazca Desert in Peru. The pilots looked down and saw the most extraordinary sight. There were huge patterns and shapes on the floor of the desert. He thought he knew the area well, but he had never been it had been never such thing before. When he landed his plane, he got into his car and raced to the spot where he had seen the lines. However, he could see nothing except the dry landscape with its heaps of stone and dust. Underline heaps of stones and dust. This is a phrase, heaps. Heaps means बहुत सारे पत्थर जमा हो करके या फिर बहुत सारी डस्ट वहाँ पर थी. जब वो नीचे आया उसने देखा, अरे जब मैं प्लेन में था तो कुछ और दिख रहा था, नीचे आया तो कुछ और दिख रहा है और कुछ भी नहीं है. ऐसे तो दिख रहा है कि सिर्फ एक लकीरें खींची हुई हैं और कुछ जगह पे तो बहुत सारी मिट्टी है और बहुत सारे पत्थर हैं इकट्ठा हुआ. Much intrigue means to confuse. He was very confused. अरे मैं ऊपर कुछ देखता हूँ, नीचे कुछ देखता है. He wanted to find out now what it is. He wanted to share his curiosity with somebody else. Okay, so he contacted his pilot friend in Lima, the capital of Peru. They came from the city and began to fly around the desert. So they wanted to fly and see how beautiful. They wanted to fly and explore and more about it. Every day they found more strange lines and shapes. Then the pilot tried to determine the size of the area covered by the lines and shapes. It was about 450 square kilometers without any town and villages. So they saw, it is full. The land is full of lines, some beautiful designs, but you can't guess what it is, what figure it is. Only when you are flying on and circling around in that area, if you are flying in the plane and you see it from above, you can see beautiful designs of plants, animals and birds. Most of it was flat, though it was bordered on one side of the mountain. So it was only on one side of the mountain. There were no villages or town next to those designs. The pilots next plotted the shapes. They were long lines that looked like great highways. They were huge monkeys with a spiraling स्पायरलिंग मीन्स वो ऐसे स्पाइरल वे में बना हुआ. And the features and the creatures that looked like a dog. There were also several patterns of birds. News of the discovery of Nazca Line spread far and wide. Far and wide, this is a twin word, okay? People were fascinated. They soon realized, like the pilot, that one cannot see these patterns and shapes from the ground, as they are formed by very shallow furrow or low mounds of gravel. So not only pilots, the other people who visited that area also found very strange that from above you can see something different. You can see sharp lines and you can see exact figure of the creatures, but when they come actually to see it, they could only find shallow furrows or low mounds of gravel. Means मिट्टी इकट्ठी हुई एक जगह और sharp lines बनी हुई है, बस यही सब दिखता था. लेकिन you couldn't guess कि what kind of a creature or animal or plant it is. Yes, so then the people who saw them began to wonder about their meaning. ये क्या बताता है, क्या दर्शाता है, क्या संकेत देता है? Who constructed these patterns? When were they made and why? क्यों, कैसे, कहाँ, कब, क्यों, ये क्या दर्शाता है? Everything came to their mind. These are all the things that came to their mind. Many archaeologists have since studied the lines. बहुत सारे आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट कौन होते हैं? आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट वो होते हैं जो स्टडी करते हैं ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री by examining buildings and objects found by digging. Okay, वो खोद के पता लगाते हैं चीज़ें कहाँ से, कैसे, क्यों आया होगा, कैसे आया होगा. So among them were the famous Maria Rich. Maria Rich उनमें से एक archaeologist थी. She was a German born mathematician and archaeologist who was living in Peru when she heard about these lines at Nazca. Around 1946, ये 1946 के बाद she began to make maps of the figures on the ground. She started making maps and figures so that ये चीज़ हमेशा रहे, हमारे ज़िंदगी भर रहे और अपने बच्चों को भी दिखा सके, और ये चीज़ ताकि आगे वाली पीढ़ी भी इस चीज़ को देख सके. So she convinced the Peruvian Air Force to help her with photographic surveys. आप जो वो पिक्चर्स देख रहे हैं वो सर्वेज के थ्रू ये पिक्चर्स ली होगी और वही आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी दर्शाई गई है. Yeah, right. So around 1946 she began to make a maps of the figures on the ground. She convinced the Peruvian Air Force to help her with photographic surveys. अब ये देखो कि भाई कोई चीज़ अजीब दिख रही है तो वो उसने she had taken permission from Peruvian Air Force कि भाई मैं फ़ोटोग्राफ लेने वाली हूँ. ऊपर से परमिशन, वो बाकायदा उस चीज़ की परमिशन ले रही थी कि भाई मैं सर्वे के लिए फ़ोटोग्राफ्स ले रही हूँ. शी कॉल्ड ऑन द गवर्नमेंट. फिर उसने गवर्नमेंट को भी कंसल्ट किया, कहा कि टू कंट्रोल द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द एरिया एंड रिस्ट्रिक्ट टूरिस्ट विजिट. रिस्ट्रिक्ट मतलब उसकी निगरानी करी जाए, उसकी सुरक्षा करी जाए. राइट. सो शी स्पेंड मच ऑफ हर ओन मनी इन दिस एफर्ट. उसने काफ़ी अपना खर्चा खुद किया. शी बिकेम वेरी वेल नोन इन पेरू एंड local people called her the lady of the lines. Maria Rich believed that the lines were the type of sun calendar. Sun calendar वो होता है कि भाई पहले ज़माने में हमें दिन का नहीं पता होता था, रात नहीं पता होता था, कितने दिन होते हैं, हफ्ते में कितने दिन होते हैं, तो ये सब नहीं पता होता था. तो फिर किसी ने सन कैलेंडर बनाया, उसको कायदे से वो सॉर्ट आउट किया कि वीक में 7 दिन होते हैं और फिर एक दिन में कितने घंटे होते हैं. तो ये सारे सन कैलेंडर में आ जाते हैं, सारे नियम, सारे जो लाइफ को कैसे हर दिन जो चेंज करता है, फुल मून्स, हाफ मून, ये सारे न्यूक्लियर, ये सारे जो दिन चेंज करते हैं, कितने दिन होते हैं, कितनी रातें होती हैं, क्या समय का क्या पैटर्न है, दिन का क्या पैटर्न है, ये सारी चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड होती है, वो उसको कहते हैं सन कैलेंडर. ओके, सो मारिया रिच बिलीव्ड दैट द लाइन्स वर द टाइप ऑफ सन कैलेंडर, बट अदर पीपल हैड मोर अमेजिंग आइडियाज़. और लोगों ने बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें भी कही. वन पर्सन थॉट दे वर द प्रूफ दैट एलियन from the other planet must have visited the earth, and the patterns of our Nazca were the sort to guide or map for them. तो किसी ने कहा कि भाई ये एलियंस के लिए होगा, क्या पता वो एलियंस जो है दूसरे प्लैनेट से हमारी अर्थ को विजिट करने के लिए ये एक मैप बनाया हो. सो सम अदर सजेस्टेड दैट द लाइन्स वर अ मेमोरियल. सम हर किसी का डिफरेंट सोच थी कि किसी का ये भी कहना था क्या पता ये एक मेमोरी हो कि एक फ्लड आके गया हो तो ये लाइंस बन गई हैं और वो हमें याद दिलाती हो कि भाई एक ज़माना था जब वो फ्लड आया था और ऐसे ये लकीरें बन गई. तो ये भी कहना था. लेकिन कईयों का ये भी मानना था क्या पता हमारा धर्म ही कोई संकेत करता हो. Yet others considered them to be a religious importance. More recently, many people were surprised when a new pattern was found on the other side of the mountain. तो पहले तो एक साइड ऑफ द माउंटेन वो बॉर्डर ऑफ द माउंटेन बता रहे थे. अब जब वहाँ एस्ट्रोनॉट जो है ऊपर से जब फोटोग्राफ ले रहा था अर्थ की तरफ, तो उसने क्या देखा, उसने एक और पैटर्न देखा. इट वॉज अ मैन हु सीम टू बी लुकिंग अप in the sky and waving. This was discovered by astronauts taking the photograph of the Earth from space. Now let us see what scientists have to say. So scientists have concluded that the Nazca lines were created over a long period. ये बहुत टाइम से चला आ रहा है. The majority of these lines were created from 1 to 700 CE. Today the area covered by these lines is a World Heritage Site declared by the UNESCO in 1994. अब जो है इसको उनकी गवर्नमेंट ने सिक्योर कर दिया है और वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट को उन्होंने प्रिजर्व कर दिया है कि वहाँ पर कोई भी नुकसान नहीं कर सकता है, वो उस एरिया को कोई भी छेड़छाड़ नहीं कर सकता. सो एंड द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पेरू इज़ इट्स ऑफिशियल प्रोटेक्टर. और इसका जो है गवर्नमेंट जो है वो ऑफिशियल प्रोटेक्टर है. वो देखता है कि टूरिस्ट जब आता है वो कहीं किसी चीज़ का नुकसान न करके जाए. तो उसने क्या बैन लगाया कि देयर विल बी नो कार, नोबडी इज़ गोइंग टू ड्राइव दैट वे नियर द साइट. पीपल विल वॉक ओनली विद द हेल्प ऑफ गाइड्स. ओके, सो दिस was the mystery of the Nazca lines.